Hello everyone, this is Aya and today we're going to make a large envelope. I'm going to use graphic 45 paper. This is solid and pattern. Then I have my paper trimmer, to remove this white bar that, has the name of the collection of the paper. The only tool I'm going to use is my scoring board. So I'm going to score at 3 inches and 8.5 inches. This is a wide envelope. Then 8.5. Then you're gonna turn your page or your paper and you're going to score at 1 inch and 11 inch. Then you're going to fold all the creases and you will end up with like 4 rectangles, one in each corner, and you're going to cut them. We don't need them. Now there is also an optional tip that you cut a small or a thin triangle from each flap. This will make more room if you want to put like bulky stuff or bulky candies like lollipop and chocolate and paper. So there is a room that things can move around. But if you don't want, that's fine. Just will be a tight like a tight envelope, and also it will fit. Also you can put inside, candies and chocolate. So I'm going to glue the envelope. I'm using here double-sided tape. You can use liquid glue or any tape you would like to use. Again, also I'm going to put another double-sided tape in the bottom flap. And voila, we have an envelope. It's really easy. So I have here my corner punch, and I'm going to punch the corner to be rounded. You can use a scissor for that. Looks really nice and neat. So I'm going to add here some journaling cards by Graphic 45 and tags. You can add even scraps of paper. You can create different colorful envelopes and you add your scraps, for example. So I secure it with a washi tape. You can, use a washi tape or double-sided tape. And I'm going to show you in a minute another way, to close your envelope. So I have here our time now to decorate the envelope since I'm using, a plain cardstock. So I have this beautiful flower. I fussy cut them from a paper collection by Graphic 45. I'm going to write the name in the description box. You can stamp, you can put some stickers, whatever scraps you have, you can use them now. And I found this beautiful border sticker. Yeah, then I said, no, I'm not going to remove the flower to add the sticker. It's okay. So this is the first envelope. I really like it. It's so beautiful. And, it's easy to make. I created another card and I used Graphic 45 papers also. Hi, Jibo. Same measurement. But to close the envelope, I used this circle paper punch, the small one, and I added 2 holes, one up and one down. But it's okay. I'm going to hide them, when I use the ribbon. This ribbon by Graphic 45, definitely you can use any type of ribbon you would like. So when you put, I put the ribbon inside, I will make a strong knot. Then you can do a papillon or what do you call it? A bow. And that's it. Easy. I think this is also look a little bit fancy. I don't know. I really like it more and better than the washi tape. Okay, time to decorate the envelope. I'm going to use this collection by Graphic 45, this one called LST Party. I picked up this page. It's really full of die cuts, stripes of, banners, and so many characters. I'm using my paper trimmer to, cut the stripes really easy, better than the scissor. Yeah, my son joined me. He's on my table. So here I'm just, testing and organizing the die cuts to see where I'm going to put each die cut. I'm going to use this LST Party card, let's say, or the die cut. Also, I'm going to use this hard paper doily. I have it for a long time, and finally I'm going to use it. And I'm sorry about my son. I'm going, when I pushed him, he cleaned all the glitter on my tonic craft mat. Thank you, Jamil. I'm going to close the video here because I couldn't work with him while he's sitting with me. But again, you can decorate your envelope with die cuts, with the stamps. Even you can print out, for example, a photo for your son or your friends or your kids' friends. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please give this video a like. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Give this video a like.
Like.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.